Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how I make my own homemade organic syrup, and this syrup is good for the cough when you get sick, even good for the kids, for adults. It picks up your immune system and kind of helps with everything. So first things first, I got my little pot over here and I have 5 cups of water here. And these are the elderberries, the dry ones I ordered on Amazon. If anyone would like some, you can write me in the comments and I would love to share the link where I ordered. And for the 5 cups of water, we add 1 cup of dry elderberries. And this is the bag that it comes in. Pretty much 1 pound over here, and it's about $20 on Amazon. And this bag lasts you for about 5 times that you can make the syrup. And you can add other stuff in here that you like, but I like to keep my syrup natural. So I only use 2 ingredients, which is honey and elderberry. And after I have put elderberries in my pot over here, I'll let it boil for at least an hour. And after it's boiled, you have to drain these berries out and let it cool off a little bit, maybe 20-30 minutes, let it cool off. And then you can add 1 cup of honey into the syrup and mix it up, and you're good to go. Adults can drink about 2 tablespoons 3 times a day, and kids, I like to use a syringe that has 10 milliliters in it. And so these are the syringes I like to use for the kids when I give them the dose. It's got 10 milliliters in here, which is a good dose for the kids. And give 3 of these syringes throughout the day. So 1 syringe in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 in the evening before bedtime. And it's pretty easy recipe to use, just 2 ingredients, honey and elderberries. And before I used to give like some cough medicine for the kids from the store, and like maybe half a year, maybe more, I have done my research that I can do a lot better by just giving the organic stuff to the kids. And so I gave it a try, and it works a lot better than the medicine. So if you guys like it, write me in the comments, and I would love to share the link and explain a little bit more if you guys have any questions. Other than that, thank you everybody, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you everybody, and see you in the next one.